Hi, I'm Kevin Booth, the engineering lead and geospatial software engineer at Radiant Earth Foundation, and I'm going to show you how to upload a dataset exported from ODK using the ECAAS Field Mapper Toolkit to Radiant MLHub. First, on the Radiant MLHub homepage, click on the Contribute a Dataset button, and then select the Submit ODK Exported Dataset option. This will bring you to the Upload wizard, which will guide you through the process of submitting a dataset. On this page, you are presented with all of the information which will be required for your submission. On the next page, we will begin to fill out the dataset ID, title, and description, along with the creator name and contact information. Select which of the listed tags apply to your dataset. If there's a tag which you think applies to your dataset, but it is not listed here, you can email us at support@radiant.earth, and we will add your suggestion to the list. These next fields are optional, but are recommended to really make your dataset easy to use. Here you can list any publications, tutorials, or tools and applications which apply to your dataset. On the next page, you'll either fill in an existing DOI which has been generated for your dataset, or you can select the No, I do not have a DOI option, and you will be prompted with a form to fill out, and we will automatically generate a DOI for your dataset. In this tutorial, we will provide an existing DOI. The last step before review is to upload a documentation file for your dataset along with the exported zip file from ODK. On this final page, you will review all of the information you have provided, and if everything looks good, just click Submit and our team will be notified and we will review your submission.